loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm definitely reviewing something that is makeup related but not makeup itself. So had I known about this before I got the one that I have now, which cost me probably 3 times the amount of it, I would have definitely gone for this instead of what I ended up buying. So if you're wondering what I'm talking about, I was pleasantly surprised when I received an email to review this product. And when I looked at it, I was like, yeah, but never in my wildest dreams that I think when it got here, it was going to be this good. So let me introduce you to Zomei. Zomei is a beauty LED ring light that you put on your table. Okay, so it has a little stand that detaches. So it came in 3 pieces. This, the tube that bends. So if you need to take product shots, you could take product shots. Let's do it this way so that way you guys can see better. And if you need to just take pictures of or do your makeup, it's great. But that's not the only thing. I was shocked when it included this. So this right here attaches to this part right here, just like a regular ring light, but this is just a smaller version of it. And then this is for the cell phone. So this expands, and mind you, I have a cell phone. I have an iPhone Max XS or XX Max. I don't know, like I have the latest one, right? And it's big and it fits perfectly, and I have a case on it. So mind you, there's times where these things, never think about the case that you're putting. And my case isn't nothing big, you know, it's a case like this. So it's not super, but it does give it that little bit of little extra on each side. It fits perfectly there. But even better is that if you take off this part, you could put your camera here. So you could put your camera here and record. So right now I have a ring light there, and then I have this one, and I was like, wow, this is amazing. Okay, so let's turn it on. I'm gonna hope that my camera picks it up. If not, I did film with my cell phone because it picked up that this has 2 different type of lights. It's got your LED light, which is like a bright blue crisp type of light, and then it's got the regular light that is like a little yellowish, and just depending on your complexion, these 2 lights work. So we turn it on here, and I don't know if you see the little dots. Those are the little LEDs. So it gets this bright, and if we put it in front, it's pretty bright, guys. Like, that's pretty bright. Like, I could see my imperfections. And then you turn the other knob, and this one gives you the warm yellow light that kind of gives you like a golden. So let's say like now I have like a golden look instead of having a very bright crisp look. So it's adjustable. Let me move this way. It's adjustable. This is at its max right now. So if I was to turn this down, then you get a little bit darker. You get a little bit less light. And then I can just turn off completely the yellow, and we're back to this white crisp light. I thought this was really neat, and I was so thankful that they sent it to me, because I was like, wow, this would have been so much better than the one I ended up spending so much money on. And it has for the camera and a cell phone. So I'm definitely going to be using this on my Instagram, so that way I could do my little videos and stuff like that. But I thought it's neat. It came with the own little charger. It does not come with the outlet plug that you put in. So it doesn't come with that, but a lot of our tools that we get nowadays do not come with that. There's a rarity. But I usually just use either my iPhone one or from my old Android phones. I have many, so I just swap it and no big deal. It's not like I'm using it. But I thought this was really neat, so I'm gonna link down below the site that I got this off. I got this from Amazon, so they sell it on Amazon. I have Prime, so usually with Prime you get it in 2 days. This company shipped it the very next day. I ordered it on a Sunday night, and I got it on Monday afternoon. Not even Monday evening, a Monday afternoon. I was like, wow. First off, Amazon, very nice. Second off, company, hello. So it comes with the little instruction manual in different languages. That's pretty neat. I just noticed that. And it comes with like with a little pamphlet of other things. This company right here, Zomei, I hope I'm saying that right. They make a lot of different lighting equipment and just a lot of different equipment. Because I was looking, I was like, oh my goodness, I almost ended up getting that ring light. And then it comes in a little box like this. This box comes in another box. And I thought it was really nice because it's shipped very sturdy, like it's wrapped and everything. So mine came undamaged and I was very happy. So if you guys are interested, go ahead, check it down below. If you have any questions, just by all means, you know, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Other than that, that's my video for today. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day. Please don't forget to hit like and don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you are notified when I upload next. And that's it. So you all take care. Have a great one.